Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we are looking at lot number 43, which is a Honda C50 12 volt blue. Price will be €1,850. She is in immaculate condition, only 3,431 miles on her. Square headlamp, electric start edition, I believe. So we will take a look at her. Not much to make note of here. We'll just go through anything. Signs of rust or anything like that. Everything is in really nice condition. Some slight signs of rust in the rear brake here on the right hand side. Apart from that, bike is in excellent condition. Original Honda seat and so on. Left hand side now, very nice condition. Some slight signs of rusting around the chain guard. Apart from that, everything else on her is in very nice condition. Plastics here all very good. The wheel here and the tyre. We will be taking deposits on her for €150 to secure the bike before arrival in Ireland itself. So if you have liked the video, please leave a like. Also comment down below what you think of the bike, and finally subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.